with magnetic energy and opening. When your partner puts the force in and your mind connects to the tension line and then you pluck the joints magnetically, the easiest direction is obviously going the direction of his force. So if he's projecting this way, I draw that way and I'm going to pull his balance out. So that's the easiest. If there's no direction to a tension point, you're doing healing, you recognize the tension and then you work spherically. So I touch what I feel, and then as I go magnetic, I just relax it spherically around my partner, and wherever his balance is out of center in relation to a central axis, he'll choose where he goes if I don't give it a direction. So if I have a slight lean this way and someone floats me, I'm going to fall towards wherever the slight lean is. So we touch the tension, feel the feet, feel the center of gravity, and just magnetically relax spherically outwards in all directions around the partner. The horizontal plane is easier than the vertical plane. So the tendency will be to make it a flat oval disc more so than a perfect sphere. But do try work spherically if you can. So you touch the tension, touch the base, and then draw it out. Now, if your partner is giving you a lot of forward intention, as you start spherically emptying it, the forward intention makes the forward lean, and most people will fall forward. If they're very centered, then they can fall one of the other directions. Once you've done that for 5 or 10 minutes, then connect to the tension and increase the magnetism on one of the corners. In this case, it's that corner. And then go through each of the 4 corners of the stance. The 2 open corners are the easiest. So where his stance is open that way and the stance open that way, the person can naturally fall out of balance. Falling into the leg is much more difficult. So that's the second one. So I open spherically, then I increase the magnetism on that circle at one of those points, and the mental body, you pull it towards that point. And then to get over that leg, I've got to get the energy to pick up. Some people, when you bring it across the full corners, are just going to go, I'm not going anywhere, they're just going to lock in. Earth people tend to go down into a full corner. Air people, people who like running, will tend to go up over the corner. So you can get that feeling. And you've got a stubborn front leg. So you do each of the corners. And then you do the squares, and you just move around, randomly picking points to release. Spherical first, and then pick a point and magnetically pull. Normally when we do this as an exercise, you're picking a point over here, and then you draw the field over there and pull the person to the point outside. And I'm making every effort not to do that. I'm just touching his bridge and thinking a direction and pulling him in that direction with my mind and the energy. What I don't want to do is go this way and lead him that way mechanically. He's stubborn, he doesn't want to go down. So I'm just lowering his center of gravity below his knees and play with it. Okay, have fun.